from Lynn, chasing call signs in sky. Said let's give old Frost away before the bands go dry. The New Hampshire rain was steady and gray, but 2 hands on 10 and 15 don't fade away.
The woods were lovely, dark and deep, but we had signals and laws to keep.
Wire in a tree, rain on the hood, static singing through the pine-scented wood. From the Frost homestead to the coast of France, through a shimmer of sky and the skip's wild dance. Wire in a tree, it's all we need to talk to the world and plant a new seed. I showed up late, as hams often do. She laughed, said I thought the road less traveled was you. The rig on the dash, coax out the back, Reliance wire sway and the noise floor slack.
Between the raindrops the voices flew, calling CQ from me to you.
Wire in a tree, rain on the hood, static singing through the pine-scented wood. From the Frost homestead to the coast of France, through a shimmer of sky and the skip's wild dance. Wire in a tree, that's all we need to talk to the world and plant a new seed. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and maybe this was the one we could, where signals wander and stories meet, under rain-soaked skies and a heartbeat beat.
A stranger stopped by, coat collar high, said you're talking to France from here under this sky.
We smiled and said it's just a wire and will, and a bit of patience when the static stands still.
He grinned as the meters danced on cue, and said guess Frost would have loved this view.
Wire in a tree, rain on the hood, static singing through the pine-scented wood. From New England hearts to the coast afar, our voices riding the ionized stars. Wire in a tree, and a story to tell.
KC1OHT and N1OG calling
The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we've got contacts yet to keep, and miles to log before we sleep. Miles to log before we sleep.
So we're just wrapping up our activation at the Robert Frost State Farm, and what did I say we had? 37?
38 or something like that.
Yeah, 37, 38 contacts. Absolutely fantastic. Through the Reliance and fed half wave up in the tree. No tuner needed. We started on 10, we got 11 on 10, and then we finished on 15. So absolutely fantastic. And even though I showed up, what, an hour late, which was totally my fault. Yeah, and Shannon, you activated for the hour before I got here, and what'd you get?
I got 20 contacts in 20 minutes on 10 meters.
Outstanding. And so that's the 17-foot telescopic whip that she was using on a mag mount. So it just goes to show, right? It doesn't matter what you use what works for you, because at the end of the day, making contacts is making contacts. So that's all that matters.
Roger that.
All right. Well, it's been a fun activation. It's time to pick up. It's rainy, it's wet, but it looks like we got a small little break here where I can pull the antenna down without getting wet. So I'll say 77, and we'll see you in the next one.
All right, POTA on.
Dark and deep, but we've got contacts yet to keep, and miles to log before we sleep. Miles to log before